The show's good. It really is. It's good. This season's looking great. Fantastic. Best we've ever had. That's why we gotta end it here. People don't like puppets anymore. I'm tired, you're tired, puppets are tired. So let's give this show the funeral it deserves, huh? Buried in the ground, 6 feet under, pack it tight so we never have to look at it again. It's the last season. Start packing.
Okay. Let's make it count.
That's a spirit, Sugar Bottom. Now let's go start filming this season and teach these American youths about friendship, acceptance, and all that other BS so we can finally move on to filming something of frickin' substance. I swear, I'm losing my frickin' mind. Okay, bye. I have real work to do. Shoo! Go put your hand up a puppet's rear, Kim. Make some magic, huh?
Kim. Hey. It had to end sometime. But it's going to be a great last season.
Val, the show is my life. It's what we've been working so hard on since day one.
But now there's a day 2 and a day 3 and the rest of our lives.
We see you, troll.
Did I hear correctly? The show ends after this season?
Yeah, I know.
It's fantastic news. Finally, a chance to stop working with puppets. Start working with real props. Props with purpose. Props with form. Props with art.
It's not that bad. There's gonna be other shows, other opportunities. This isn't the end.
Tell that to Miss Fluffinbaum.
What? Did it go well?
Wait! Oh, Mason!
Sorry, are you all right?
Define all right.
It's your friend! Oh, hi.
Hey, Val.
Mason.
Hey.
Not even how she talks. The show's canceled. Everything's ruined.
Is that true about the show being canceled?
Yep.
'Cause it's kind of a blessing in disguise. Now you can focus on your blossoming film career.
Is that sarcasm?
No, I'm just saying. Ready for big things now.
Oh, I mean, let's not get ahead of ourselves or anything like that.
Just saying, if anybody could do it. I put my money on you.
Oh, I mean, like.
So I was
Sorry,
thinking,
I was
like,
just.
so later.
Wait, it's.
There's
I'm
a place.
gonna go find Kim.
Okay, yeah.
When life doesn't go the way you planned, that just means there's an even better opportunity right around the corner.
Miss Fluffinbaum, I just got tickets to the ball game. Want to go with me?
Oh, of course. Gee, I guess you were right, Valerie. Sometimes when things don't work out like you planned, they work out even better.
That's right. Remember, kids, there are no mistakes, just undiscovered opportunities. See you next week. Bye-bye.